In this video I will show you how to replace the SL SR cable from a Nintendo Switch Joy-Con. Therefore you need a Y0 screwdriver and a P0 screwdriver. First you remove the screws with a Y0 screwdriver. After that you can pry the Joy-Con open with your nail. Just be careful because there are two ribbon cables connected to the Joy-Con. Then you remove the battery. You can pull the battery out like this. Then you remove with a P0 screwdriver the gold colored screws. Not the silver colored screws, they're not necessary to remove. Just the gold screws. Then be careful to remove the middle parts. It's connected with a ribbon cable. Then you can carefully clip this open from the connector. Remove the ribbon cable. Then remove the two screws from the cable. Okay, that's it. I'll take the new one, place it in the Joy-Con and put back the screws. Then place back the ribbon cable in the connector like this. Close it. Fold back the middle part. Put in the gold colored screws again. The battery connector you can easily clip it on. Just make sure the red one is on the left and you place it on top of it and just click it like Lego. Put the battery back, fold the cable upwards and close the Joy-Con. Put the Y screws back. And to check if everything works, press a button and you see all lights light up and the Joy-Con is working again. Thanks for watching.